Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find the home feed tuner on Pinterest. Actually, super simple. You're just going to select this account and more options, and you'll be able to see the home feed tuner. If you can't see it there, go to settings first, and just wait for a couple of seconds. Then go to tune your home feed, and here's where you can adjust the pins you've looked at, interests, boards, as well as like following here. You can kind of like adjust it. You can like turn off and on pins that you viewed today, like whether or not it's going to affect your home feed on Pinterest. So that is it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!